Datawrape. Why do so many charts fail to get attention? Because they're either too complicated, too dull, or locked behind technical skills. But what if you could turn raw numbers into clear, interactive visuals without writing a single line of code? That's exactly what Datawrape makes possible. Founded by a team with experience at the New York Times and Bloomberg, Datawrape has grown into a trusted tool for journalists, researchers, businesses, and educators who need to present information in a way people actually understand. With Datawrape, you can build bar charts, heat maps, scatter plots, and even interactive maps in minutes. You simply upload your data from Excel, CSV, or Google Sheets, and the platform transforms it into professional visuals. And if your data updates, your chart can update automatically too. Customization is straightforward, from colors and fonts to annotations and branding. Visuals are responsive and interactive, so viewers can explore data on desktop or mobile. Plus, embedding is easy, whether in news articles, reports, or newsletters. For teams, Datawrape even provides collaboration tools, version control, and accessibility features to ensure inclusivity. Governments, NGOs, marketers, and global media outlets rely on Datawrape not only because it saves time, but also because it ensures data is clear, engaging, and trustworthy. If you want to simplify your data storytelling, Datawrape is one of the most practical and reliable tools available today.